Has your computer screen suddenly decided to take a nap on its side? Don't panic. The fastest way to fix this is using keyboard shortcuts. Press and hold the Ctrl and Alt keys, then tap the up arrow key. This should immediately rotate your screen back to its normal, upright position. If that doesn't work, let's move on to plan B. Right-click anywhere on your desktop background from the menu that appears, select Display Settings. This will open your system's display configuration panel. Scroll down until you find the orientation option. It probably says something like Landscape, Flipped, or Portrait. Click the drop-down menu. You'll see a few options: Landscape, Portrait, Landscape Flipped, and Portrait Flipped. Select Landscape. This is the standard, normal orientation for most monitors. Your screen should now be back to normal. A prompt will appear asking if you want to keep these display settings. Click Keep Changes to confirm your selection. And that's it. Your computer screen should now be right side up and ready for action. If you found this helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more tech tips.